Most people think booking an international flight is very difficult, so they go to agent and pay extra money. But trust me, it's actually a very simple process. In this video, I will show you exactly how I book an international ticket. So first open the Google and look for a website such as Skyscanner. Open this website. Here if you want a return ticket or one-way ticket, here you can choose. I will select return ticket. Then choose from where you want to depart or from where you want to fly. And then here select the destination. Then you need to select the date. Here I want to point it out, wherever you see this green circles, which means the prices are low on these particular dates, and where you see orange or orange circle, here the price is on an average, and here where you see the red circle, then the prices are pretty high on those days. So let's say I want to select from 12th and want to return on 31st. Then you can apply, then search. Okay, these are the different options you get. What's the best, what's the cheapest, and what's the fastest one. Yeah, here is a Turkish airline, Lufthansa, KLM, Swiss. If you want to see more, then go here and you can see number of flights. Whatever suits you, you can select it. So I will select this one. Sorry for the delay. Yeah. Now if you'll click this one, then it will show you exact details. Okay. Yeah. So the flight will take off at 11:30 from Gothenburg, and it will reach to Istanbul at 5 p.m. Then 3 hours of layover, and then it will take off from Istanbul at around 8 p.m. and then we'll reach Mumbai next day. And that's the detail of the return flight. So if you are okay, then you can choose any one out of these websites to book your tickets. So let's say I will choose the Turkish airline only. You can choose whatever airlines you want. It's according to your convenient. It will take a while. Yeah. So here you need to fill the person information. So let's say for example I have entered randomly, and then you need to enter the contact details like email address and then phone number. Then here are the terms and condition, whether you want notification via SMS or email, you can select. And yes, if you are a frequent flyer, then it's good to add become a member. If you want, you can completely skip it. I will skip it as of now and press it on continue. Then here you can review your details, flight number 1, flight number 2, and then return flight. If you are satisfied, then continue. Yeah, if you want to have get the additional benefit or additional services, then there you can select it, but as of now I will skip it. Trust me guys, it's a really easy process, no need to worry at all. And then here we come to the last step, which is payment, and then you just select the mode of payment and then you do the payment, and that's all. You will get your tickets. I hope you have learned something today. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye.